How to recruit on Facebook. In this video, you're going to learn my 5-question formula to help you recruit more people into your business. So stay tuned. Hello, my friend. My name is PEtrovick, and for the past 20 years, I've been teaching, coaching, and training people just like you how to make more sales, how to recruit more reps, and how to create a better quality of life. And all of that begins with your ability to prospect and recruit. And there's no easier place to do that than Facebook. If you're brand new to my channel, if you have not subscribed yet, I would highly encourage you to go ahead and click the subscribe button on the lower right hand corner. I produce content on a weekly, sometimes a daily basis, because my passion is to help equip people just like you for success. You know, this profession has given me my life back. I absolutely love it. You know, in 20 years, I've made a lot of mistakes. Could probably teach a course on how to alienate all your friends and family in 3 simple steps. But in this video, I'm going to give you 5 questions that I've found and have been proven, field tested, to help you move the needle, to get that person to watch your presentation. Okay, question 1. What do you do? What do you do for a living? So one of the biggest things when you reach out to people and they accept your friend request, you're trying to engage them in a very casual conversation. And I don't know how you interact with people typically, but however you typically do that, you kind of want to do it the same way on social media, on Facebook. So when we talk about recruiting on Facebook, rule number 1 is don't be a weirdo, okay? You hear me say that in lots of different things and lots of different videos I do. And the reason is I think a lot of times people put pressure on themselves to be perfect, and there is no perfect script. While these 5 questions I'm giving you have been proven and will help you move the needle to get that prospect to watch a presentation so you can recruit them into your business, there's no magic answer. But anytime you meet somebody, if you were at a party, you say, "Hi, Mary, my name's Terry." You probably wouldn't say, "My name's Terry," but you'd say your name. "What do you do for a living?" Or tell me about you. You just want to engage in natural, organic conversation. So we're going to go along with, what do you do for a living? That's question number 1. Question number 2. How long you been doing that? How long you been doing that? So again, you're trying to get them to open up a little bit, and this is a very common question, so I don't really feel like it's weird or fake or anything like that. You want to kind of get to know that person. You know, I remember when I first started out in the business a long time ago, I was doing some local prospecting at a retail store, and it took me 20 minutes of chit chat going back and forth with this woman who was in the girls' jean department before I could pop the question. I'm going to get to that question in just a second, but it doesn't need to take you that long. It's question number 5 that it took me so long to get to. So question 1 is, what do you do for a living? Question 2 is, how long have you been doing it? Question 3 is a good one. You must love it, huh? And most people in corporate America who aren't in our profession, when you ask them that question, "You must love it, huh?" the typical answer is, "Yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay." And that's kind of what you're looking for. You're looking for that, or somebody who is dissatisfied and looking for a change. Or, somebody rarely might respond with, "I do this for a living and I absolutely love it." Well, congratulations. You can still ask, these 5 questions is what I want you to know. So question 1 is, what do you do? Question 2 is, how long you been doing it? Question 3 is, you must love it, huh? And if they respond with, "Yeah, well, maybe not really, it pays the rent," or whatever. Question 4. Question 4 is, have you ever considered doing anything else? Have you ever considered doing anything else? You're trying to get them to open up to say, "Yeah, I've tried it," or I'm so busy I really can't, or I've tried a couple of those work at home things, but never had any success at it. You want them to open up. You want them to kind of share more, and they can respond with that, and you can respond back with, well, tell me more about that. Tell me more about that. Getting them to share a little bit more, trying to figure out what their needs, goals, and desires are a little bit. And question number five. Just curious, do you keep your options open to generate extra income? If you do, great. If I'd love to share some information. If not, no big deal. Question 5 is just curious, do you keep your options open? And if you do, I'd love to share some information with you. If not, no big deal. And if they say, yes, I keep my options open, then what you want to do, ideally, you want to get them on the phone. You want to have a real conversation. You say, I'd love to, take this chat, this conversation, on the phone and share some more information with you. Here's my cell phone number. What's yours? And if they don't want to do that, if they're not comfortable with that, you can certainly send them a link to your business presentation. But remember that this is a relationship business, and people want to do business with people that they know, like, and trust. And by now, they've already checked you out in your Facebook profile. So make sure that you put positive things on Facebook, on your profile. Don't be an individual who, gets all into drama and the negativity of what's going on in the world. My personal opinion, I stay away from religion and I stay away from politics. And the reason is those are two heated topics. And you might lose a wonderful business partner because you have a different philosophy about something. I always try to be inclusive of everybody. Understand if you're going to build a massive business and your intention is to create 5 figures on a monthly basis, you're going to have to build a team. A team of people who go out and share information about your products and your business or services. That's the way network marketing works. And then there's a whole thing about leadership development. We'll talk about that on another video. But again, what you're trying to do is you're trying to throw a hook out there, trying to see if somebody is interested and open, and get them to look at your business presentation. Make no mistake about it. Your ability to get 2 eyeballs looking at your business presentation is what's going to help you become successful. So the more people you have looking at your presentation every single day, every single week, every single month is going to dictate your ability to, reach the higher levels of success in your company. Does that make sense? So those are the 5 questions. What do you do? How long have you been doing it? You must love it, huh? Have you ever considered doing anything else? And just curious, would you be open to taking a look at something? If you are, great. If not, no big deal. Those are the 5 questions. If you have any questions about these 5 questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you got value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it on social media. Share it with some of your friends. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. I'm putting out great MLM training tips, network marketing training tips every single day pretty much now. This one was how to recruit on Facebook. And you can take these same principles. You could take these same principles on how to recruit on Facebook and apply them to LinkedIn or Snapchat or face-to-face. Doesn't really matter. My name is PEtrovick. I appreciate you stopping by. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. And until next time, make it a better than terrific day and a prosperous one, because you, my friend, absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye for now.